Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product related. Today, we're diving into the world of travel essentials, specifically the best airplane travel bottles that are TSA approved. Say goodbye to messy spills and bulky containers because we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries, a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with packing toiletries for a trip. These TSA-approved 3 ounces travel-size containers are not only convenient but also offer peace of mind during your travels. Let's talk about why these bottles stand out from the rest. First off, they feature a leak-proof design with a 3-layer mechanism that ensures your liquids stay where they belong, inside the bottle. No more worrying about shampoo explosions in your luggage. Next up, the wide-mouth design makes filling and cleaning these bottles a breeze. Unlike other travel bottles, there's no need for a funnel or tiny brushes to get the job done. Plus, the silicone material is not only durable but also eco-friendly. But wait, there's more. The no-drip valve on the bottle cap ensures that you dispense just the right amount of product every time. Say goodbye to wastage and hello to efficient packing. And of course, these bottles are TSA approved, meaning you can breeze through airport security without any hiccups. The 3 ounces size is perfect for carry-on luggage, so you can keep your favorite toiletries close at hand. Whether you're jetting off on a business trip or a tropical vacation, these bottles have got you covered. And there you have it, folks. The Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries are the ultimate travel companion for anyone who's always on the go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy travels!